Alright, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here, and I got the last Ringke case that I picked up on Amazon. So this is the Fusion completely clear case. I picked it up for $8.99 on Amazon with Prime shipping. So let's go ahead and take a peek at the packaging. So you got the Ringke branding here up top, clear bag, that's the eco packaging that they send out most of their cases with, or at least all the ones that I got on Amazon, they all came in this kind of packaging here. Then you have the phone, as you can see there, eco packaging. It does say Fusion iPhone 12/12 Pro, and it is clear. And then on the back, it does just talk about the ultimate experience. Like 60 million people have used a Ringke product and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and rip this open here. So you just slide it there and then pull the phone out. So it does have a few different things in here. So just like all my other videos, I have been using this case. So I did already take the protective film off, which this is what this is explaining. So just reminding you to take it off. It's really hard to miss because it does have little branding all over it. So you definitely will know if you left it on by accident. And then once again, just like all the other ones, this accessories little pamphlet in here. So you can get 20% off any of these accessories on the front and the back by going on Amazon and putting in the coupon codes that you see on there. So there's that. And then there is the case. Clear case, very simple. So let's go ahead and slap my iPhone 12 on it. So I have the black honeycomb skin on my black iPhone 12. Let's go and just pop it in there. And there is the case on the phone. So it is completely clear. So if you are a fan of completely clear cases, then this one is gonna be for you. So as you can see, I am able to see the complete back of the case with no issues at all. Has a very nice little lip on the camera bump there. So it's gonna give you the confidence to be able to put the phone back down. There is no shake at all if you do have it back down on a tabletop of some sort. So it is going to help with protection on those lenses from getting scratches and everything. As far as it goes, it mimics the body, the square body of the iPhone 12 as well. So it doesn't have all these like rounded corners. So it's very squared and boxy, just like the iPhone 12. Now on this side here, you got your power button with Ringke Fusion branding there. And then you do have a lanyard cut out there, or lanyard holes. And then also there, it does say shock absorption technology. So it's just letting you know there in the corners, you do have shock absorption technology. And then on this side here, you got your volume up and down buttons, a nice little cutout there for your alert slider. And then once again, another lanyard hole there as well for cutouts. And then it does say made in Korea there. So it does have the quick or duo quick catch, as they call it. So it does have that where you can have a lanyard and attach it on both sides to have that added confidence if you do wear a lanyard and just wear your phone as a necklace. But yeah, so, and then the cutouts there, nicely done, easily accessible, precisely cut out, very nice. And then there is a little bit of a lip on the phone itself. So on the front there, you are going to have that added confidence of being able to put it face down on a table of some sort. I do have a tempered glass on my phone here, as you can see, and there is no obstruction. Nice spacing between the tempered glass and my phone, or tempered glass and my case here, excuse me. So let's go ahead and do the button test and the alert slider test. Let's start with the power button. Very responsive. Now the volume up and down buttons. Very easy to use. And now let's go ahead and do the alert slider test here. Very easy to use as well. And then last but not least, let's go ahead and do the MagSafe test. So I have a feeling this is going to grab instantly. And it does. So MagSafe, check. So MagSafe and Qi wireless capable. No problem at all with it being as slim and thin as it is. I had no doubt that that MagSafe charger would just instantly grab, so it does stay on. The magnets are strong enough to hold the charger on the phone as if there was no case at all. So definitely a good sign there. The case is extremely slim, guys, so if you want a slim, clear case, this is definitely the case to get, in my opinion. I've messed with a lot of clear cases in the past, but this one is a very good feeling case. I also did a video of the smoky black that I will be throwing out on YouTube as well. So if I had to pick, I'd pick the smoky black over this one, but at the end of the day, I do like this clear one as well. So you know what to do. Comment, hit that like button, guys, and please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.